People didn't stop calling 911 just because the pandemic happened and they were in quarantine.
Now, those essential workers in Kentucky may be getting some extra money in their pockets next year. Democrats in the Kentucky legislature held that public hearing today about potential bonus pay for those who kept Kentuckians safe and healthy throughout the pandemic. WHS 11's political reporter Rachel Droz is telling us if your job might end up qualifying for bonus pay.
Andy Beshear plans to ask the legislature to use $400 million of federal pandemic relief funding to pay bonus pay to essential workers. That's according to a spokesperson from his office. Monday, Democratic lawmakers heard from representatives from a variety of professions asking for a chunk of that money. The Kentucky Nurses Association is asking for a quarter of the bonus pay proposed by the governor, saying their employees are overworked and understaffed.
If we don't address the nursing shortage issue now, what we're going to be getting after the pandemic is going to be untenable.
Firefighters also asking for a chunk of the potential funding, saying just because there was a pandemic, call volume didn't go down.
While they definitely did not get into this profession for excessive pay or benefits, or even praise, it's disheartening for them to see others receive financial recognition for their extraordinary dedication and sacrifices, while their dedication and sacrifices have been ignored.
A representative from Louisville Metro Corrections says lawmakers should consider corrections officers for bonus pay, adding the pandemic is still taking a toll on its employees.
COVID has only increased the stress on our officers due to officers having to take 2 or more weeks at a time off work to be quarantined amongst a facility that is already severely understaffed and overpopulated.
Police and paramedics also asked to be included if the bonus pay gets approved. But just because the governor, who's a Democrat, is proposing using some of that federal relief money for bonus pay, doesn't mean the Republican-controlled legislature will sign off. GOP leaders have asked the governor to put forward a plan they can consider in the upcoming legislative session. In Frankfort, Rachel Droz, WHAS 11 on your side.